welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be creating a set for Easter. I'm going to be doing an Easter bunny nail art. So I created this set before Easter. I don't know why I did not upload the video. I think I was a little bit preoccupied with with Easter job. So I'll be doing that today, and I also created the Easter eggs with acrylic powder. If you like to see how I created that, kindly let me know in the comment section, because I'll be showing you how I attached the eggs to this set, and I also did the Easter bunny because I was not comfortable with the eggs on the nails. So, and I'll be using these pastel colors from Venalisa. You know, they're my first love. So the colors are not really this bright. I don't know, the camera made it very bright. They're a little bit lighter than this in the actual sense. I'm going to be curing this gel polish in the UV lamp for 60 seconds after the first coat. I'm also going to be doing a second coat as well. I'm going to be curing that in the UV lamp as well before I start working on the nails. And I'll be using a matte eggshell top coat from Born Pretty. It's a very beautiful polish I got from Born Pretty as a PR package. You will definitely love this set. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can turn the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So now, watching this video, I'm wondering why I did not just do a single coat and continue my nail art. So I think it's because I didn't get a perfect coverage on the nails for the first time. So if you are seeing somebody's hand in this video, it's my sister's nails. She came with me today to the office to create this set, because I went to my office or to my nail lounge to create this set I think around 8 p.m. in the night, because it was part of a collaboration for TikTok with some beautiful people on TikTok. So she's one of them is on YouTube as well. Her name is HJ Signatures. I'm sure you will know her. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description box so you can check out. She's a wonderful makeup artist, a talented makeup artist. So this is what the eggshell looks like. Now it looks as if it's a glossy one, but after curing, it's going to be it is going to be matte. Then I think I did this eggshell 2 times because I wanted it to be I didn't want it to be sparsely distributed. I wanted to have more, so I think I did 2 times. So but I don't think I showed that in my filming. I just showed it once, but in the actual sense I did it twice. Kindly watch this video to the end. Let me know your thoughts about the set. Leave a comment for me in the comment section. Please don't mind the noise in my background. A lot of things are happening in my background at the same time. Okay, for this one that I'll be using the Easter eggs, I think I did the eggshell top coat just once. It was when I wanted to draw the bunny that I did a coat of the eggshell top coat. So I've created this in another video. So like I said, if you'd like to see how I created the Easter eggs, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be uploading that, I think, in shorts. Yeah, or I don't know, I'll try to upload it. So I'm just placing it on each of the nails. I'm putting my glue, my nail glue, and I'm attaching the eggs. I created the egg with white acrylic nails, and I just did some design on it with the regular gel polish. So after I placed these two, I was thinking I should just stop, like it's okay, but I don't know. My usual African self, I'm extra. I decided to put the eggs on all the nails. So when I was done, it was looking like too much for me. It was not looking realistic, and I was not feeling it. So I took the eggs out and decided to create the Easter bunny. So can you let me know which of these do you prefer? The Easter eggs or the Easter bunny in art? Like I said, I've been a little busy, I've not been uploading twice a week for some time. So kindly bear with me on that. I'll resume to uploading twice a week very soon as I'm done with all that I'm doing, my work. So for now, I'll be uploading, like I said, once a week, every Sunday for the next few weeks till I get my balance. Thank you for the support always. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much. And this is a short video. The last 2 videos I've uploaded, they've been very long videos. So this is a short video, and I'm sure you enjoy it as well. Thank you for watching those long videos. Each time I was about to post them, I was always wondering, will people watch this? But when I saw the views, I really appreciate you guys. You guys have really supported me in a way I did not expect you guys will. Thank you very much. So I'll be doing the instant nail art with this black gel polish from Born Pretty. A little bit thick, and it's nice for me to do my nail art. I've never used the regular I've never used the gel paints for my nail art. Most times I always use the regular gel polish. They are thick enough for me. So this is my first time of doing Easter bunny or drawing a bunny. So kindly manage whatever you say. Like I used to say, a disclaimer, I don't like drawing. So the little ones I do, I always try to do it to the best of my ability. So please don't laugh too much, just laugh a little, and let me know your thoughts about the Easter bunny or this bunny that I drew on these nails in the comment section. So after each when I drew the body of the bunny, I cured into the UV lamp for 30 seconds before I decided to do the ear. Then now I've cured that for 30 seconds as well. I'm just coating it with a gel top coat, so that when I want to pour the sugar on the tail, it won't stick to all part of the body. So after applying the gel top coat, I'll also be curing it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds before I now start drawing the tail. Before I start drawing the tail, I'm pouring the sugar on the tail. So now I'll be drawing the tail of the bunny with my white gel polish as well from Born Pretty. This white gel polish as well is a thick one, like it's thicker than the black. Yeah, and I love drawing. I love doing whatever I want to do with this white gel polish from Born Pretty, because it just stays put wherever you put it. It doesn't move, it doesn't shift. So after doing, just spreading it around about, I'm going to be using this nail tip to pour my sugar on it, cure it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds as well before I dust it. And this is what I have. Guys, which one do you prefer? This bunny nail art or the Easter eggs? Thank you guys for watching till the end. I really appreciate your support. I'll talk to you again in my next video, guys. Till then, stay blessed and bye.